as Champai Soren goes ahead, fuels further speculation in Delhi, and on the face of it he goes on to say that abhi hum jahan hai wahi hai. Look at these pictures that are coming in. That is Champai Soren's home in Jharkhand. That is possibly another office from where he works out of, and this is his social media account. What is common to all these three pictures? One, the signage of the JMM has been removed from his home. You can see no flags of the JMM which were there until recent times. And now this is another picture. This is another office from where he works out of. There is no signage there. And also look at his social media profile. It's only written former Chief Minister of Jharkhand. No mention of the JMM. So, Mohit, on the face of it, you might say what you have to say. But listening to what leaders of the INDIA bloc have to say, looking at these pictures, it seems only obvious that Champai Soren is here in Delhi because he possibly has made up his mind to join the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, yes, exactly. And you see, as we were discussing earlier, that if he did not want to join the BJP, or if he was not here to join the BJP or meet the top leadership of BJP, he could have categorically said that I am with my party, I am with my leader, that is Hemant Soren. He did not give any particular answer when he was again and again asked by the media, and I specifically asked him that is everything right between Hemant Soren and him. He did not say anything, and he also stated hum jahan hai, hum wahi hai. So clearly, as of now, he's giving out a message. He's with the JMM, but the JMM clearly, what the sources say, is not able to reach out to Champai Soren. And as you were saying that there is no mention of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha in his profile. It's just that he has put out the picture, and which clearly says that he is the former Chief Minister of Jharkhand. So
right.
These are the fillers, these are the signs that are being put out by Champai Soren that he is all set to leave the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Now, leaving Jharkhand Mukti Morcha by Champai Soren could also come as a huge jolt for the India Alliance also, given the fact that Jharkhand is one of the few states where the India Alliance is in power, their bloc is in power, and we have seen that how Hemant Soren has been attacking
while
Prime
leaders
Minister
of the JMM and Champai Soren himself has not directly agreed or denied to the fact that he is possibly joining the BJP, one after the other, be it the Samajwadi Party or the Congress Party, they have some pieces of advice coming in, and their natural target here is the Bharatiya Janata Party.